Why do we need cloud? In olden days, people used to buy physical servers and manage them on-premise, let it be their office or their home or somewhere else. So the thing that they need to be responsible for is they need to ensure like power connectivity is there, internet connectivity is there, and the servers should be stored in a secure place, which is a bit tedious process, right? And the maintenance cost is also quite high when you compare all these things. One another thing is like let's take Amazon Black Friday sales or any festive sales, right? During that window, they'll be attracting lots of customers and they'll require more servers. They cannot just buy servers and use them and they can resell it because the reselling value will be quite low. So that's what people in cloud terms call it as scalability. Scalability was one of the main issues when they were having their own physical servers. Cloud came in to resolve all the above issues which we discussed right now. Be it like cloud is basically like someone else server which we are renting. Basically the cloud providers, right? Let it be Amazon Web Services or Azure or GCP or anyone else, right? So they will still be having their physical servers. We are just renting them out. Cloud providers will also be responsible for all the things which we discussed, right? Like power backups, internet connectivity. In terms of a user, right, which we are using their cloud servers, so we need to ensure like the access management for the server, right? We are responsible for the access management. Patch management is nothing but the software updates and the OS updates. Let's take in general use cases, we are using Windows updates, right? Similar to that. So we should be, as a user, we should be responsible for those things. Hi guys, welcome back to another lecture. So as we see in the last lecture, right, the maintenance cost of a server is quite high. So that's why people are going into cloud. So when it comes to cloud, right, there are three organizations which provide cloud, like they are the leaders of the cloud. So the first one is AWS. AWS is nothing but Amazon Web Services. They are the cloud leaders and they are having a large market cap in this sector. And the second guys is the Azure, which is managed by Microsoft. And third one is nothing but GCP. They are good for their cost and the UI and stuffs. So if you see this graph, right, these three guys are the market leaders, and there are some other guys who are catching up, like Alibaba Cloud, IBM, Oracle, and stuffs. But then, right, even now most of the organizations, right, are using these three major cloud providers.